Hello guys, and welcome to this video. In today's video I'm going to show you how to create Google Forms on your smartphone. Now this is good for you if you are using Android. Okay, if you're using Android, I don't know about iPhones, but if you're using Android, this method can work for you. So for us to create a Google Form, we are going to go into our Google Chrome. Okay, but first, if this is your first time of coming onto this channel, I want to say welcome to my channel. My name is Awajimam Isioto, and on this channel I teach you how to do stuffs. I teach you how to do things that can help you earn more online, and grow your business. Okay, so kindly, before we go into the video, kindly do me that favor of liking this video and subscribing to this video. And when you subscribe, make sure to turn on the notification bell so that when I put out another video, you will be notified. Okay, now if you don't know, Google Forms are just forms that you can use to find out something, about something, just like a questionnaire. Okay, you can send these forms to people to help you answer questions so that you can get feedback from the public, maybe about your business, maybe about something that is important to you. Okay, you can use it to get people's opinion so that you can make decisions, all right, based on people's answers. All right, so I'm going to show you how to create Google Forms right now. So for you to do that, what you need to do is to go to your Google Chrome. All right, go to your Google Chrome on your phone, come to this search area and type, you come there and type forms.google.com. all right, forms.google.com. just wait for it to load, and once it loads, this is what you're going to see. All right, if you don't see this, you might see something else. Okay, let me just start from, let me go home. Let me now type it here just in case. All right, you come here and say forms.google.com. can you see this now? You search for it, it's going to take you to, okay, this is because I've already done this before. All right, this is what you should see. All right, this is what you should see. Now you are going to have to title your form. Let's say your form is about maybe your business, maybe you're into food business. You're going to come to the top here and title it. You say recipe forms. Okay, recipe. Okay, let's just say customer recipe. Let's go to customer recipe form. Are you seeing now? So we are actually creating the title. All right, so we've created the title, and then the next thing, you want to describe the form. All right, if you have a description, you should have a description for your form. You say this is just to help us know what menu you'd, sorry, I'm not into food, so I'm just doing this from my head. Okay, menu you'd like us to include. All right, this is just to help us know what menu you'd like us to include to serve, so we can serve you better, so we can serve you better. Can you see now? All right, you just giving this a description. Kindly help us, you say, kindly fill with the correct answers. Are you seeing this now? All right, you just made it clear so that the people can fill in the correct answers. Now you say what? You can see this place that says untitled question. That's where you're going to click, and then you ask your question. What is your name? All right, what is your name? At least let them tell you their name. What is your name? Okay, now you come here and say short answers. You can see the short answer. Now you have to make it required by turning this on. Are you seeing now? Turning it on, so that if they don't answer the question, they cannot move ahead. Are you getting this now? If they don't answer the question, they cannot move ahead. Now let's add another part of the question. What is your name? Right? When do you love breakfasts? Okay, okay, you're seeing we're just creating questions. Do you love breakfasts? Okay, do you love breakfasts? Are you seeing now? Multiple choice. Now look at this. Do you love breakfast? You can see multiple choices. Are you seeing yes, no, maybe? So I want them to make multiple choices here. If I don't want that multiple choice, I'll just go to short answer. Can you see this now? I'll tell them short answer. That means they're going to type. But if I'm leaving it at multiple choice, it means they have to choose yes, no, or maybe. Are you seeing this? Now we have to also set this as required. All right, they must answer that question. All right, now let's add another part to the form by clicking this plus sign. Are you seeing now? Say what would you like? What would you like us to change on our menu? Are you seeing this now? On our menu. Are you seeing this now? Now we tell them short answers, long answers required. Okay, we leave it at long answers required. We can decide to change that if you want. Okay, you can even bolden this question. You can bolden this question. If you want this question, what would you like us to change? You can make it bold by selecting this, select all, and then you come to this B here, click on B. Can you see it has bolding? If you want it to bend, you can change it like this. Are you seeing? If you want it underlined, you can put it as underlined, but I'm changing all of this, so we just leave it at this one. Are you seeing now? You can do a lot of things here. All right, now we also make it required. All right, now we'll not tell them kindly. Let's add the next part of the form by clicking the plus sign on the left below side. You click on the plus sign and you say kindly type in your email to receive our new menu. Are you seeing this now? Now you want to collect their email. Are you getting this now? You want to collect their emails so that you can actually have their emails for marketing purpose. Are you seeing this now? So let's bolden this. Now we leave it at short answer. Okay, and then we put it at required, so that they must see. If they don't fill that part, they can't cross over. Are you getting this now? You can also change the color in the background by coming to this top here, this thing that looks like a pellet. You click on it and you can choose anyone from this color. Once you choose this, it's going to change. You can click this one and it's going to change. Now watch. Okay, I did not apply it. Let's go again. Click on this one, click on this, and then you come to the top right. Look at this apply here. You click on apply. I see now it has applied. You can see the color in the background. All right, so different things you can do here, but for now this is just a simple way to create a form. Now how do you save this form? Let's even preview the form so you can see what it looks like. You come to this top three dots here that is vertical on the top right, click on it. All right, let's preview it. You can see preview on the top. you click on what? You click on preview. Click on preview. Can you see our form? You can see. So you can see this form. You can see what is your name. You can see that it's starred. There's a star there, meaning that they must fill it before they pass through to the next thing. So once they come here and they fill it, all right, and they click on submit, it's going to be submitted to your email. All right, it's going to be submitted to you. Are you seeing this now? So this is how to create a Google form, okay, for your questionnaire, all right, for your feedback purpose. Now let's go back to the editing space. Now, how do you share this? How do you share this? Now, before we do that, look at this place. This is responses. This is where you can get all the responses. By the time they answer you, you're going to get responses here. Okay, let's come back to the questions. And then how do you now share this for people to have access to it? You click on this. I see now. You click on that, and then you come to this place. If you want to send it to their emails, that means you already have their emails. You have to insert their emails here. Are you seeing this place that says to? Then you can put your subject of your email. All right. Now, for you to send the form, what you're going to do is to click on these dots that you see here that looks like a chain. You copy it. Are you seeing now? You can see that this is the link. You can see the link. This is the link you are going to send to them. So once they click on that link to fill the form, it will open up the form for them. All right. You can see this link is very long, but we can shorten it. Are you seeing it now? The link has been shortened. Can you see? If I remove this now, it's long. If I click on this now, it's short. So all I need to do now is to copy the link. Once I copy this link now, I can send it to them either via WhatsApp, either via email, either anywhere I want to send it to, so that they can see it and fill it. I can even send it on my Twitter and say, please kindly help me fill this form. You are sending this to your customers. All right. You are sending this to your customers, or you are sending it to people you want to have their contacts. You want them to tell you about something. Are you getting now? So this is where I'm going to stop. This is how to create a Google form. All right. If you got value from this, kindly like this video. All right. Like this video, subscribe to this video, and make sure you turn on the notification bell. Do not forget, so that when I post new videos, you're going to be the first to be notified. And before I go, if you want to learn how you can start making money online, you want to join a community where you can receive tips, you can receive guides, you can receive strategies for how to do your business. All right. I have a paid mentorship group. All right. It's a paid mentorship group where I drop information from time to time that can help you make money for yourself and grow your business. All right. For you to join that, all you need to do is to go to the link in the description or check the pinned comments. Okay, I'm dropping a pinned comment, all right, where you get a link to how you can access the mentorship group. It's just $1 to join. Okay, just $1 to join. And once you get through, I'm going to see you inside the group. All right. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Enjoy.